Ever.
You sure okay?
Tsunami.
Hey friends, my name is Tatyannaedgeworth, and today we're going to do another YouTube video, and we're going to do it obviously by the title 2019 vision board. This is my very first year, my very first time ever doing a vision board, and I've been doing research on it and speaking to existence, and so far that has been coming true. So I wanted to talk about the vision board a little bit. Basically, like, you're supposed to, I still believe in God and everything, of course, but you're supposed to speak into existence and make sure everything that you say, like, will come true. So if I say that I want, unrealistically, I want 1 million followers by May of 2019. You need to be real specific and realistic though, but I'm giving you an example. And you need to say I have a million followers. 1 million followers. So like when you look at your vision board, it needs to be something that you can see all the time. So I have a digital vision board. Mine is going to be on my phone. I'm going to show you guys, if you guys can see. Ooh, it's glary. I'm sorry. Can you see that? No. These are like my goals, and I don't mind sharing them with you guys. My first goal is to like pay my credit card down, because you guys, I'm a student, college student, and I have like a lot of debt. I have like a lot of debt. So my goal, number one goal this year, is to pay my debt down. My next goal is to get some more subscribers on YouTube. I'm not gonna tell you guys how much, but trust me honey, it's happening. I am definitely want this goal by the end of this year. I've been having my channel for about 3 years, and I'm literally at like 174 subscribers. So y'all keep subscribing to me so your girl can keep pushing content, because you know, if I was just able to do videos by itself and videos only, honey, trust and believe me, y'all be getting some good content, but I gotta work. I gotta put in, you know, make money and do a 40-hour job, 60-hour job just to make my bills, honey. So the next thing is to basically add more followers on my Instagram, only because like I want to be more of like, I want to switch it around. Obviously you guys know that I used to dance, or I still do dance. I'll do like private parties or something, but I don't want to be looked at like that, which is why I don't announce or present myself as a dancer, because I feel like I have way more to give you guys. You know, I'm really educated. I know I'm really knowledgeable. Like, I know a lot of things in life, so I feel like I don't like to be looked at as a dancer unless you just gonna pay me as a dancer. Then it's different. You can look at me as a dancer all you want to. Next is I want to go on a vacation with Bae, of course, and we are planning to go to the Bahamas. So hopefully, if like money and everything works out, me and Boo can go to the Bahamas and, you know, look cute. So definitely check this out, because that will be a vlog. Like I said, it depends on our finance situation at that time, because I do plan on moving out, which is obviously on my thing. Also, like, I want to be more healthy in general. So like lately, if you can't tell from my vlogs, or depends whichever one goes up first, I have been eating more healthy. I have been going to the gym like 3 times a week, even though some of you guys may not be a lot, but for somebody who didn't go to the gym for like months, like maybe almost close to a year, I probably went like, if I can count on my hands how many times I went like last year, due to me. I was real active though, obviously, from like dancing in the club and stuff. So, but now it's not like that, and I need to, you know, your girls still need to look good. So, another thing that I feel like I need to work on is being more cleaner. You guys, if you see this room, you guys will see another video of me cleaning my room. It's a hot mother mess, okay? Like, it's a real hot mess, and I've always been messy when it comes to my room. So I feel like I need to start cleaning like my area surround me. So like what they say, like a cleaner mind, a cleaner place is a cleaner mind. So like I really do truly believe that. So if you guys don't know, I got accepted to my biology class today. Woo! Super excited. So I definitely want to be able to graduate this semester in May. Hey, look out for your girl. Took her 4.5 years to get her associate's degree, but it don't matter because your girl is here. I definitely want to graduate. That's like one of my main goals. Like, it literally took forever, so I'm going to walk the stage. I'm about to make it seem like I got my PhD. I don't care. I want to make the biggest deal of it at forever, because I feel like no matter how small the degree may be to somebody else, it may be big for me. Trust and believe me, it took a lot of hard work, tears, and sweat, okay, honey, in order for me to get this degree. So I only got 3 more classes this semester, so ain't no way that I'm failing anything. My next thing I want is to be flexible. Like, y'all, my whole entire life I just wanted to be a flexible hoe, but it just never happened. Like, I just really want to be flexible. Like, I'm gonna show you how unflexible. Like, look at this. If y'all could just see, I'm not flexible. I ain't flexible, you know what I'm saying? Like, if I could just show y'all some, like, I am flexible. So I feel like I'm still working on like how to contribute that in my life. But y'all, we need to start stretching, okay? Maybe like the beginning of my gym workouts or something, like a good extra 10-15 minutes put in the gym, you know, before or after a workout or something, because the girl want to hit the splits on it, you know what I'm saying? Next thing that of my vision on my vision board is to move out. Like, if you guys don't know, I've been living with my mother for my whole entire life. Hi, mommy. I love my mother and I love living here rent-free, baby. But it's like it's time for me to move on. Like, my room is super cluttered, y'all. I need my own space. And my brothers need their own space too. So I just feel like it's time for me, you know, to be grown. Y'all, I'm 23. I can't be living with my mama forever.
You sure okay?
Well, you heard that. Here we are right now about to do our digital vision board. So first I went on Pinterest and I just typed in the things that I wanted to type down. So right now you're going to see me type down apartment decorations, obviously, because I said I wanted to move out and I'm going to need to decorate my apartment. So I am scrolling and scrolling and waiting for me to find a picture that I like. Oops, and there she is. Do I like that one? So here we found the one that we like. It's really pretty. I feel like this is something that we can work with. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this picture. Finally, I learned how to save this photo and we're gonna go ahead and go to the next step. So there goes my beautiful family, and we're going to go ahead and go to Pick Collage. It's an app. Go ahead and download it on your phone. And then we're going to click on photos. Here are all the pictures that I have downloaded from Pinterest. And we're just going to click all of them. Some of the photos are also from Google, like the Instagram and YouTube photos. All you have to do is just type on some photos that's not on Pinterest. Just obviously go to Google. And right here, we selected our photos. And now we're going to move them around to where we see fits best. So now we're just making a little bit of adjustments, and it may be perfect in my eyes, swap it to yours, but it's my vision board, not anybody else. Please remember that. So this is our final vision board that I have came up with, and now we're going to go ahead and save this vision board to our library. So now we're going to go ahead and set our vision board as a wallpaper. For me personally, I wanted mine to be my lock screen because I'm always locking my phone and looking at that first time before even going through my phone.